Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, thanks for tuning in. We got us a big dirt moving project today. So we got this mountain of dirt. I hope the video does it justice for scale. I mean, that's probably 150 feet tall from this elevation to the top. So we've got a moat that we dug in to keep some of this washout from overtaking our silt fence. It'll wash out and fill in the moat before it fills in our silt fence. But down here, it failed. It overfilled the moat and overtook the silt fence. All the rain caused this to wash down, went over top of our silt fence, didn't go over our secondary layer of silt fence, except back here it did. So you can see this filled in the moat, took out our first layer, took out our second layer, and it's gone into the wetlands, which is not good. We got to get all this excavated out, pulled back, get everything excavated out, new silt fence in, and I got to get all this dirt put back on the mountain. But you can see this erosion. It created a gully in there that was filled in, and it created a gully. Caused all that water come through here and blow out. So we got to get all this dirt moved. I got to fill in our ditch down there because I can't drive through here. I don't want to tear up the silt fence that's still good. So we got to fill in our ditch right here, create a road in, get all this dirt excavated out. I gotta drive up. It's kind of a road right there, if you can see. Drive up, pile it all up there, get this all cleaned back out, and then I gotta redig a new trench all the way down to where I started. Alright guys, we got this road cut in here. It was a little bit difficult right here where all of this material has been put before. Probably been picked up and thrown up there. All that started coming down. I had to keep cutting the road in. So that was just to get access. Now this is the real problem. We'll get all this excavated out. We got to get it back to the surface level it was before. So you can kind of see that's our original grade. We'll follow that. Basically all the white sand will come out.
Alright guys, we're on the last leg of this project. We got our road cut in. I got everything excavated from that silt fence, from this silt fence. I got our washout cleaned up. Last thing we got to do is put our trench back all the way down.